Welcome to the Likeable Forms Mailjet extension tutorial. So to get started, you want to go ahead and add in your Likeable Forms license key. You'll also need your Mailjet API key and your Mailjet secret key. Once you've added these, go ahead and hit Verify License Key. Now, if this is the first time you're setting up your extension settings, you also need to go ahead and validate your license key by hitting Verify. And as long as your license key is validated, you'll see a prompt at the top of your screen that says license key is valid. And from that point, we can go ahead and access our extension settings. So to get started, we'll need to select the contact list that we want to add this new subscriber to. So we have two options in our demo account, and we're just going to go ahead and select the first option. The next step is we need to go ahead and build out the contact information for our new subscriber. So the subscriber email field, first name, and mobile number lets us map data from fields that are in our form. So I went ahead and added a few fields to our form just so we have something to work with. We added an email address field, a text field, and a phone field. So now when we select the subscriber email input, we can go ahead and select our email address field for our subscriber email. For the first name, we can select our text field, which is titled name, and we'll add our phone field for the subscriber's mobile number. Now the last step is our contact management. This gives you a little bit of control over how do you actually want to proceed with your contacts. If a contact is part of your list previously, but they've unsubscribed, what do we want to do with them? So that's basically what the contact management section is going to allow us to do. If we don't want to forcibly subscribe them again after they've already unsubscribed, we'll want to go ahead and select this option. It will continue to keep them as a contact and update the contact, but it's not going to resubscribe them automatically. You can also force it if you just want to go ahead and add the contact to the list and subscribe them by selecting this option. There you have it.